Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you how to use basic navigation lights to find out whether you are in a meeting, overtaking, or crossing situation. Navigation lights are required to be shown between sunset and sunrise, or during periods of reduced visibility, or whenever the skipper deems necessary. Show your navigation lights in haze, rain, squalls, or even heavy weather to make your location apparent to another vessel. Here you can see the basic configuration for a sailing vessel. Sailing vessels are required to carry side lights, a green side light to starboard and a red side light to port. They must also show a white stern light. Any vessel being propelled by her engine must also show a white masthead light above the side lights. This masthead light will be shown in addition to the lights described here. Take a look at the illustration. This shows a meeting situation where we see the bow of another vessel. In a meeting situation, you will always be able to see both side lights at the same time. On the illustration, we see just the white stern light and no side lights. This means we are astern of another vessel and in an overtaking situation. In a crossing situation, you will see just one side light or the other. A single green side light means the vessel will cross from left to right. A single red side light means the vessel will cross from right to left. Use these easy sailing tips to keep your small sailboat and sailing crew safe and sound on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.